We're at 16042 Valley Meadow Place, Encino, California, 91436, performing a video sewer inspection through the 3-inch mainline cleanout at the front left corner of the house, right next to the air conditioning condensers. And we're going to attempt to run out from here out to the city sewer. And as I said, we're right here by the air conditioning condensers, and it's right next to the gas meter as well. And we have a 3-inch mainline clean out, ABS plastic clean out in the ground. And we're going to attempt to run through here. We're running down into the stack. We had a little piece of a leaf that fell in when we pulled the cap off, which will not harm anything. And we're running out the ABS plastic line now. Got a little bit of sudsy water here, standing a little bit. Got a little tiny belly in the line, nothing terrible. And then we have more fall, so the water is draining down. And the joints look good here. And the joints look fine there. Now we're making a much steeper drop. The joints look okay here. And we're out. It appears that we're out to the front, that we're at the transition. And we'll check this after 35 feet. Should be at the transition from the 4-inch ABS plastic to the 6-inch clay lateral. A little bit of an offset in that joint, but not bad. There is some play within the fittings. Sometimes we will get a little bit of an offset in there. That one as well, just a tiny bit of separation, not bad. Nothing to be concerned about. That joint looks to be lined up very nicely. And that joint looks to be lined up very nicely as well. That joint looks good. We're in a turn. That joint looks good. And looks like we're heading down to the city sewer right here. So it's not that long of a run. It's only a 60-foot run. See the water running through the city sewer. So we're going to pull back now and just take another look. Everything looked good on the way out. That joint looks to be fine. Did not see any breaks. No root intrusions, no major offsets or separations. Everything looks to be in fairly good condition. That looks good. Everything looks maintainable. Shouldn't have to do anything with this line at this point in time. This line should be in maintainable condition, just all by itself. Everything will flush through and wash itself through. It'll build up a little bit at times, but then you get enough rush of water and it will flush itself out. I'm going to pause for a moment. We're just going to locate this 4 to 6 inch transition. Okay, we've located this area. As you're facing the house from the street, it is on the right far side of the driveway apron, pretty close to where the mailbox is, but it's still in the concrete driveway apron area, and it is about 7 foot 4 inches deep. And we're going to begin pulling back through our ABS plastic line. These joints look to be in good condition. Got a little bit of a lip on the ABS plastic piping here. And we also have a backwater valve. I have a backwater valve right here out by the driveway apron. Helps to keep the water coming back if the city sewer stops up. This is a check valve. It's called a backwater valve, and it should keep the water and waste from coming back into the house if the city sewer is backed up. We're going to locate that area real quick. This should have a type of a pit or something that you could access this to maintenance it if you had to. If sometimes these checks get stuck, sometimes you have stoppages at these checks, so you have to be able to get to them. We're going to stop and locate that now. Okay, we've located this backwater valve on the right hand side of the driveway, outside the main driving gate, just to the right, and we've marked it with a flag, 5 foot 8 inches deep, and there is no pit. There is no access area to get to this backwater valve, and there should be. So we're going to pull back now from that point. Those joints look to be in good condition. That looks to be in good condition. Have a little bit of debris right there. Just a leaf, and that'll push through as soon as we get enough water. Those joints look good. Making a turn and coming back toward our clean out. And we're just about out of our clean out now. And everything looks to be in good condition here. The only problem that we can see is that there is no access for the backwater valve, which by code there needs to be. If you had an issue with that backwater valve sticking or having an issue, you're going to have to dig it up and try and get to it, and it's over 5 feet deep, 5 foot 4 inches deep. That concludes our video sewer inspection.